Hey guys, what's up? It's Brianna, and I'm in quite of a dilemma because right now it's very dark and you can probably see by the time it's very late. I apologize if you can hear all of the fans going on because my air conditioning is broken. So this is like the coolest time of the day right now. It actually feels really good and it's not too humid or anything. So if I look kind of disgusting, then that's why. I'm just going to be showing all the things that I've gotten so far for college. So I'm going to be moving in like middle of August, and these are all the things I've gotten. I don't think I'm getting anything else except for things that I'm going to buy when I'm at school, different supplies. If I figure out that I need more, then I'm gonna get that. But I'm going to be moving into my apartment, so I'm gonna have my own bathroom. I have like my own space by myself. I don't have a roommate, so this is my first time not having a roommate, and I'm excited. I've always had a roommate and I don't mind having a roommate, but it's gonna be nice to finally have my own space to myself to just like chillax and study and cry and do whatever I want to do. Enough talking, I should just get into the video. So first of all, I feel like this is the main thing that you're looking for when you're setting up your new room. So I got a comforter. I've always wanted a white comforter. This one's just, it's plain white, but it has those little like scrunches in it, and it has the pillowcases with it. I'm excited. I've wanted a white comforter for so long because I feel like they match everything. I know they get dirty, but I don't care. I'm going to have lots of blankets on top of it, and I don't know, just keep it safe. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this super plain comforter. I think it's possibly from Kohl's. I'll have to look up the brand maybe, but I have no idea where it's from. Most of these things are most definitely from Kohl's. Probably 90% of these things are from Kohl's, unless otherwise stated. So yeah, I also got 2 very plush pillows because as of right now I have a bunch of things at my apartment that I left because I flew home from school. I basically left my stuff there, and I already have pillows there, and I'm bringing more because never have too many pillows. Oh my god, I totally forgot I got this, and now I'm more excited. I just forgot I got this. I also got this from Kohl's, and it's this white letterboard like everybody else has, but there was such a good deal at Kohl's, and it comes with all of the personalized letters. Thankful memories, blessed home, but I probably won't be using those. I'm probably just gonna have like random stuff written on here. Probably nothing that inspirational. I'm really excited about this. I forgot I got this. Some more things that I'm excited about are these posters. I got 2 posters. I'm pretty sure the website is called allposters.com, posters.com or something. If I can open this. Ow, my nails are so thin from my acrylics, so it makes this so difficult. Why is it bent? No. This is one print. This one is a Monet print, and it's just flowers. Oh no, it got all smushed. What the heck? That made me upset. And then I got another one. Oh my god, literally, I don't know what to do. It's taking so long. Okay, I'm back. This one's even bigger. I didn't realize it was gonna be this big. Oh wait, no. No, this one's the Monet one. The other one's Van Gogh. I love this one. It's so beautiful. It's just this painting, and there's cottage type thing and a lot of roses. I love it. I mean, obviously I love it since I bought it in my room. I kind of don't know where my room is going at this point. Kind of stuck, but I plan on also getting some LED lights because that's just a staple for my room since I've had them in my room like every single time. I want those all around. More Kohl's bags. These sheets have been in my closet for a while, and you need like multiple sheets for your bed. And these ones are thicker. They have little cherries on them with polka dots. It's so adorable. Or like mistletoe or something. I don't know. I feel like I have no idea now. I thought they were cherries all this time, and now they look Christmassy. interesting, but they're like thicker, so my apartment gets really cold and it gets really cold up there. These will be perfect to put on for the winter. Along with that, I got this rose colored heated blanket. It's like the size of a full bed, so it's gigantic, and I'm so excited about that. God bless heated blankets. They are the best investment if you're going somewhere cold, let me tell you. They just save everything. They save money because utilities, and they just save you from hypothermia. So perfect. Into the next thing, I'm going for yellow and pink. These are the sheets I got. Like a sunflower yellow kind. No, that's not a sunflower. I don't know. Just remind me of sunshine, like bright and happy, you know, motivational. We gotta study and do our work, right? Right? Those are all just sheets. Oh no, my battery is low. What the heck? I also got towels that are the same yellow because I have my own bathroom, like I said. And my shower curtain, which, did I say this before, along with the heated blanket? I don't know where they are. I know they're somewhere in my house. They might be in my mom's room. I have no idea where they are. My shower curtain's gray and yellow, like floral, and it's so beautiful. I'm so excited. Those are from Kohl's too. This is also from Kohl's. It's this. It says Simply Vera Wang, and it's just this bath mat, but like it's so soft. I want this as a blanket. So fun, so adult, just bath mats. That's what I'm excited about these days. My friends and I just have fun looking at decorations now for houses. I feel like a mom because I go into like the stores and I'm like, oh my god, cute little trinket things that I can put around the house. Oh god, I don't like that. But I've been liking this color yellow. I thought I wanted to go lighter, but I kind of like how it's a bright sunshine yellow. I'm hoping this is in focus because my whole camera just stopped recording out of nowhere. So I hope I'm in focus. If not, this is going to suck. Got this clock. Don't know if I'll use it. It's a clock. I don't know. And then I decided to go ham at the dollar store because, you know, it's all $1. I'm dying and I hope you can't tell. You probably can, so that's a little embarrassing. This is a toothbrush holder. I know. So amazing. Be jealous. And then Tupperware. Yay! Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy more stuff like this because I have nothing. Like, this is the only thing I have. I have to worry about that when I get there and see like everything that I have. Oh my god, it's getting so hot in here. I got shower hook things, but I don't think I need these. My shower curtain came with hooks, but definitely if you're getting one, you should probably get these. I would have not even have gone that. Probably would have put it on without any hooks at all because I'm stupid. I'm just holding this, but this is a mason jar thing. I got a couple of these because I'm going to put these cute flowers in them. Like, I'm going to trim them and maybe like style whatever and put them inside of the little mason jars because I want it to be like happy and green and florally, but minus the real flower part. I will definitely kill them. I killed my plant that was supposed to survive without water. I killed that like freshman year, so we gotta go with the fake ones for now until I learn. Also bought, this one's pre-vased, so I don't have to make that. And then as for more plants, I got these little cacti. They're fake too. There's different kinds. Oh, no, all from the dollar store. It's awesome. Who knew? Like, usually these things are like $5 at Walmart, or probably even more. This is for over the door, so I could put towels or anything I desire on it. What does it say? Over the door hooks. Yep. More shower stuff. This one's a plastic shower liner. It's just cheap, so if I really need to replace it, then I can just throw it away. Okay, some of these things are not mine in here. Oh, I got scrunchies. Not really college, but like I guess they could be. I got a little makeup organizer thing. I just started picking up random things because I got excited. Honestly, I think that's it. I thought I had a lot more than that, but apparently I don't. Okay, well, that's about it. Everything's a mess on my bed now and just overwhelming. That's everything that I got. I still have like drawers and a lot of things that I'm reusing from freshman year that I'm just going to be bringing up, or things that I already have in my room, so I'm just going to take those things. This is basically all I'm bringing. I'm only buying these things now because you can get really good discounts if you order them online, or you just know when to buy them at certain timings. If you want to check out my college dorm haul from freshman year, then that will be down below. I also make a bunch of other college videos, so you can check them out. You can check out all my other videos because I would greatly appreciate it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, all of that. Everything is down below. You can find out all of the links, anything you want to know, any other videos you want to see, other college videos, other travel videos, all of that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see ya.